Sales are the lifeline of any company. Managing sales activities, especially in the field, is a complex process. Sales representatives face challenges like poorly planned schedule, unable to finish jobs on time, carry bundles of physical brochures, network issues, difficulty to demonstrate the effectiveness, while sales managers struggle with allocate numerous tasks to multiple resources, lagging timelines, accountability, lack of information, less or minimal productivity from the team. Effort, an easy-to-use DIY SaaS platform that doesn't require coding, can fix all these problems. How does it work? Assign, monitor, optimize. Managers can delegate tasks to the sales representative using the Day Planner feature. The field agent logs in and takes a selfie for verification before starting their shift. The agent checks his calendar for the day on the Effort app. The tasks assigned can be achieved easily with route plans on Effort. The agent reaches the first location, checks in, fills out the order form and checks out to start traveling for the next appointment. He continues this process. Is the customer unsure? The agent can showcase all the options using digitized brochures to help the customer make an informed decision. No signal? The agent can still use the Effort app as it provides offline capability. The agent can also collect signatures and customer pictures if required. Managers can keep tabs on all activities remotely on a real-time basis and optimize the plans for optimal results. Effort provides a comprehensive field sales automation solution, where sales agents can easily achieve time-critical tasks, location-sensitive jobs, improved efficiency, recognition, rewards. Managers benefit from intelligent work allocation based on availability and distance, increased transparency, reports and analysis using Google Studio and Power BI, data-driven strategies, improved productivity. Key benefits: increase in productivity. Executives know whom to visit for the day. He can plan his next visit while checking out from the current visit. Previously, finding the nearest customer was challenging. Now, the system will provide a map with an optimized route to visit all customers. He will have a clear priority in the assigned task. No need of carrying the catalogs of products physically. Effort brings innovation into your management with an array of features. Raise service requests through multiple channels: phone, email, IoT devices. Geo-intelligence. Intelligent allocation and time to reach based on availability. Seamless API integrations. Real-time visibility. Real-time notifications. Growing business. Happy customer. Sign up and start your free trial. Save time and improve your productivity with Effort.